Good day everyone, my name is Albesen Bueno and I will discuss creating authentic assessment. So first, what is authentic assessment? Ang authentic assessment ay isa itong guide ng isang teacher na dito niya malalaman kung na-catch up o nakuha ba ng isang estudyante yung topic na dinidiscuss niya o yung topic na pinag-aaralan nila. Dito niya malalaman kung may natutunan ba ang estudyante. So, let's move on identifying standards objectives. These are statement of what the learners should know and be able to do. This should be worded in such a way that it is narrow enough to be clear and attainable within a specific time. Dito naman is gagawa yung teacher ng objectives niya na kailangan na makatch up ng isang bata sa pagtatapos ng isang topic. Next, select an authentic task. The teachers find a task that can demonstrate their understanding of the lesson to meet the standards or objectives. Again, the task should reflect real-world context, and this should be worded in such a way that is clear for the learners to understand and attain. And dito naman is magsaselect na lang yung teachers kung ano yung assessment or activities na ipapagawa niya sa mga estudyante niya. And dito siya magbe-base kung na-meet niya ba yung objectives na ginawa niya. And dapat yung gagawin na assessment ng teachers is dapat yung mga is nakabase sa tunay na buhay nila. Sa example na lang is nagbigay ka ng mga questions sa activities nila. Dito na pumapasok yung question na as you are student, or kaya naman when you are in this situation. Next, identify the criteria for the task. The criteria will help the learners determine the level of competence needed in order for them to determine how good they are performing in the task. A good criterion must be clearly stated, brief, observable, and written in the language the learners can understand. And itong criteria is gagawa ka ng criteria para sa scoring mo. And itong criteria is ipapakita mo or sasabihin mo sa mga estudyante mo para may guide sila kung paano nila gawin yung assessment na yon para mas tumugma yung mga gagawin nila sa mga sagot nila. And example sa example is grade for writing performance task. Objectives. The learners will be able to write a friendly letter using the correct letter format. And yung task, write a friendly letter using the basic letter format. And next is yung criteria. Uses the basic parts of the friendly letters, applies correct grammar rules, presentation must be able, neat and clear, content must be demonstrate, courtesy, and invites response from the readers. So, ayun po yung authentic assessment. And sana po is nagets ninyo yung report ko.